Hello, world changers, history makers, space setters. How is everybody doing? I know you're good. I'm good out here. I'm in Los Angeles and we are having a good time. Well, I thank you so much for all your messages, the comments, and all that you're doing. Thank you for the encouraging messages. I'm getting so many of those. Thank you. Well, the topic for today is leading with value. What I mean is when you approach anything or any situation, are you leading with value, or do you come with an entitlement mentality that if it's not your way, it's the highway? Because what I'm observing is there is a lot of a beggar mentality going on, whereby people are expecting handouts and what do you have to give me before I do anything? That is not the way things work. You always lead with value. You give something in exchange for something else. For example, if someone is trying to get my time, by sending me an email and expecting a response, my first question is, why should I respond to this person? Have they sent me value, or are they wasting my time? Because remember, time is valuable. It's the most valuable commodity we have. So until you learn to lead with value, life will be a bit tricky, because your response to anything will be very limited, because no one will see a reason to respond to you. So I'll give a perfect example. Someone who is asking for a job, right? They send you a message. Hi, Mother Ego, can you get me a job? In my mind, I'm thinking, why? Where's the value? So when you're leading, you don't lead with get me this. You lead with, these are my abilities and this is how I can serve you to better your organization. You lead with value. You spell it out. Even just the time to respond to someone who has approached me that way, the time is just not there. Assuming I'm getting 50 to 100 emails a day, there is no time to respond to things that are not adding any value to me or anyone around me. Yes, jobs are very important, but how do you get them, and how do you approach the right people to get them? Because the approach matters. If your employer is going to be paying out money, so are you bringing enough value for them to pay you? So this is something to think about, but the bottom line is lead with value. All right, this is Mother Eagle. Leave your comments as usual, and if you want to go in depth with any personal development area, we do have the Facebook group available for you. It's for serious members only, those who are aggressive about their personal development and getting themselves better. Talk to you soon. Bye.